In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily add frequently asked question toggles, or FAQs, to your Wix site. To start, let's add a new section. Let's begin with a blank section. Now, when you go to add elements, under the text option, you'll see the collapsible text option. Let's add this element. As you may notice, there's an issue here. It shows a group of partial text from a larger text. I think this is the closest thing we can get from the Elements tab to create that FAQ accordion look, but it's not quite what we wanted. Instead of using this collapsible element, let's add a new app. Open the app menu and search for Wix FAQ. Now that this is installed, let's make some modifications. Click on Settings. On the Display tab, I'd like to show the FAQs only. You also have the option to filter out which FAQs to show by ticking the category boxes. Feel free to update the design and make adjustments. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is. Next, let's add our own sets of questions and answers. Click on Manage FAQs. First, let's add a new category. Under this new category, let's add a new FAQ. Add the question and the answer. Make sure to assign the proper category. I'm going to do this 2 more times, so we'll have a few more FAQs. Finally, let's go to the FAQ settings and select the new category that we added. Now, let's hit save and publish the changes. Thank you for watching.